So children, this is another view of external view of meristematic tissue. So apical on the top and then intercalary and of course lateral on the sides. Intercalary just located below the internode and of course the tip which is responsible for the vertical growth. Now, since they are dividing cells, will they be different from the non-dividing cells or the non-dividing tissues? Definitely. There would be some major characteristic differences between the dividing tissues and the non-dividing tissues. Now, what are those major differences? Now, since the cell keeps on dividing, the meristematic cells keep on dividing, just imagine how should be the cell wall. Yes, the cell wall will be thinner. Why the cell wall is thinner? Such that the division process is very easy. Now, so the first feature is the apical meristematic cells. The meristematic tissue or the meristematic cells will have a thinner cell wall. And then, of course, they have a denser cytoplasm. Now, what does it mean when I say denser cytoplasm? You all have learned that the plant and the animals major differences presence of a one big vacuole in case of plant cell. So, when vacuole is occupying 3/4 of space, what will happen to the amount of cytoplasm? It will be definitely less. But in case of meristematic tissue, the amount of cytoplasm is more. So what does it mean? The vacuole are absent. If not absent, they may be very, very minute in structure. Now, why cytoplasm is more and why vacuole is almost absent? As we all know, cytoplasm is the ground substance. That means provides all the raw materials for the proper functioning of the cell. So that since the meristematic cells keep on dividing, they need lot of energy which is going to be provided by cytoplasm. And vacuole, of course, you know, it will be a storage site, and of course it also provides turgidity and rigidity which is no more required by the cell. Hence these are absent. And then another important difference is the cells are very small with a larger nucleus. Now, nucleus will be very much prominent since vacuole is almost absent. So, these are the major characteristic features of the meristematic tissues. Let us just have a recall once more. Cell wall thin, cytoplasm denser, vacuole absent, even if present very small or minute. Then, cells are smaller with a large nucleus, and of course, children, no intercellular spaces.